Now coming to tabletop. Now we'll work on arm strength here again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from plank to elbow. We'll do 3 sets of each 10 plank to elbow postures. Now if you need to use your knees as support, you can, and then just coming down on your elbows. Make sure your core is engaged at all times. You want to keep your shoulders straight so you're not rounding your back, you're keeping it straight. Core engaged. Hands right under your shoulders. If you can do a full plank, straighten your leg, heels pointing towards the ceiling. With an exhalation, come down on your elbow, in line with your shoulders. Inhale, back into plank. So get started, let's do this. Come onto tabletop. Okay, if you need to use your knees as support, do so. Otherwise, come into plank. Engage your core. Push your body away from the mat, pressing down into the palm. Heels pointing towards the ceiling. Exhale down to elbow. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Halfway. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now you don't want to be moving your hips, only your hands. So core engage. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Last 2. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Last one. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Knees down, sit on your heels. Child pose. Breathe in and out here. Ground yourself. Normalize your breathing. Now slowly bring yourself back to tabletop. We'll continue with the second set. Straighten your leg. Into plank. Exhale down to elbow. Inhale, lift up. Now there's no need to rush. Go at your own pace. Exhale down. Inhale up. You just want to make sure you're doing it the right way. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, core engaged. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Last 3. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You want to make sure your body is also in a straight line, so keep pushing your hips down. Exhale. Inhale. Plank. Last one. Exhale. Inhale. Knees down. Sit on your heels into child pose. Normalize your breathing here. Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm with you too. Breathe in and out. Left with the last set. Come back to tabletop. Last set. Hands right under your shoulders. Tuck your toes, straighten your leg into plank. Exhale down to elbow. Body straight, shoulders straight. Core engaged. Inhale to plank. Exhale down. Inhale, plank. Exhale down. Inhale, plank. Exhale down. Halfway. Inhale, plank. Exhale down. Inhale, plank. Exhale down to elbow. Inhale, plank. Last two, we're almost there. Exhale down to elbow. Inhale, plank. Exhale down, last one. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale to plank. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, knees down. Sit on your heels into child pose. Great work, everyone. Normalize your breathing here. Now, if you have any tension in your wrist, sit on your heels, wrap your 4 fingers around your thumb and focus on wrist rotation here. Moving in opposite directions. Anti-clockwise the other way around. Okay. So just want to make sure that your wrists are okay since you're doing a lot of arm strength. So just make sure whenever you're working on any hands or arms related workout and you're using your hands a lot, you just want to make sure that your wrist is warm to avoid any injury. So sit on your mat. And lay down on your back.